The Central Executive Committee of the United Democratic Party UDP has decided to endorse the decision of the leaders of the UDP and Hspdp held on November 7, 2023 to work together for the upcoming Lok Sabha election from Shillong parliamentary seat. Speaking to the press today, UDP President Met Ba Lingdaw said that for the Tura parliamentary seat, the party will leave it to the State Election Committee, which comprises members of the core committee and senior leaders from Garo Hills. He further said that the CEC has approved the selection of members of the State Election Committee for the MP and MDC election, which will be held in 2024.
And for the Tura parliamentary seat, it was decided to leave it to the State Election Committee, which will be the members from those who are members already in the core committee, along with few senior leaders of the party from Garo Hills. And today, the CEC also has approved the selection of members of the State Election Committee, and this State Election Committee will.
The UDP president also said the party has entrusted the State Election Committee to look into the matters related to candidature of those who won ticket from the party.